Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a Beadpark haul for you guys today. And I want to show you, this is the envelope that it came in, but inside it came packed into all of this bubble wrap, which I reuse this bubble wrap because, I mean, it's free bubble wrap. So I am going to reuse that. Whenever I do any, if I have to ship anything out that's fragile, that's what I will use. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what I got, and they do send you a little inventory sheet. The pictures on there aren't the greatest, so it is really kind of hard to tell by the picture. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I decided to get. I will tell you, I did pay for this on with my own money. Their shipping is kind of high. It is based on the weight and size of package, and it can get pretty expensive. But if you keep your order small, the shipping isn't too bad. I don't remember how much I paid for this one, but I don't think I went over $30 for all of this, including shipping. So like I said, it's not too horrible as long as you keep your orders small. Okay, so the first thing I got, and I love the little packaging that they always send their stuff in. They have like the best packaging. These are glass pearl beads. They're 4 millimeters in diameter. And it says about 1,500 pieces a box. But there's no way there's 1,500 pieces in here. So I don't know if that means, like, if you get like a box of the, like, you know what I mean? Like a huge package. I don't know. I don't know what that means, but I mean, you can tell there's not 1,500 in here at all. But they're really pretty, and I really liked the look of them, so I wanted to go ahead and get them. And they go out of stock with some of their stuff a lot, so if I can find everything, why is this not opening? There's no tape on it. Oh, yes there is. Okay, I see it now. If I can find the prices and stuff, I will link all of it below. And I will put the link to the items below. But, well, the prices maybe not so much because, they do deals sometimes. They have sales going on. So the prices change. But, and I believe you can get coupons too. But, okay, why aren't you opening now? Did I miss a piece of tape? Okay, no, I'm just not opening it right. Okay, so you can see they are very shiny, and I love these colors, especially the purple one. Just love that. And there's the hole. So these are great. I will have to leave a comment probably because it does say about 1,500 pieces per box. There's not. So I might send them a message about that so they can correct that. The next thing I got was some more molds. And I'm hoping to get back into doing the molds soon. With me being sick, I just haven't really wanted to do anything. So but you can see this is a Pegasus, and I really want to try this one out. So yeah, and they're, you know, just flimsy silicone. Makes it easy to pop the resin out of the mold. And I like keeping the molds in the plastic if I can, which this one doesn't want to go back in, but I really like keeping them in the plastic, at least keeping them in there, because, which it's just going to have to go in there because that doesn't want to go back, because it helps keep them clean and dust free when you're storing them. So having them come in these bags are really useful. Okay, and then this bag is just full of everything else that I ordered. Now, maybe that's what they mean. Excuse me. 6mm. No, that's 4mm. No. Okay, so maybe they sent me the wrong one. Or they labeled it wrong, because on here it says 10mm. So yeah, I think this is just labeled wrong, because that says 4 on there and this says 10 and this is 6 and these are way smaller. So yeah, this must just be labeled wrong. So I'll just have to send them a note saying that they got their stuff labeled wrong. But this is the same colors as that, and it does not say how many are in here at all, but you can see they are the same color scheme as what is in the box. And I just thought these were really pretty, so I had to go ahead and get them. Then I got this package of skulls. I thought these were really cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to take one out. They are beads. Okay, so there's the front. And you can see it's got like a crackle effect on it. But they are beads. You can see the hole right there. So I thought these were really cute. And this bag says 20. Let's see. Yep, it's 20 on there. See, this one just says one bag. So yeah, it says 20 pieces. So there are 20 in there, and I just love these. I think they're super cute. Then I got some like jack-o'-lantern charms, and I'll go ahead and take one out so you can see it kind of close up. It is like that, and it is not a flat back. It is curved in, you can see. So yeah, but I just thought these were really cute. And this one has 40 in it. So, and I love the bags that they come in. So like if you're buying from them and you don't really have anywhere to put the stuff yet, you've got these great bags to keep them in, and you could just put them in like a little basket or something to hold it until you do get like a storage, or you could just keep it in the little bags. Then we've got these little skeletal hands, not skull hands, skeletal hands. And there are 20 in here, if I can get the bag open. Okay. And how adorable are these? And they've got like a little skull on the one finger. How cute are these little hands? I absolutely love these. So I had to get a pack of these as well. And then we've got this pack of bats, which again, oh, I love these. These are super cute. And they are heavy duty as well. And this one, you can see it's kind of, well, that part goes in all the way, but it is curved on the back as well. So it would be hard to kind of, you could lay it flat, but you definitely would want to use some good glue on that to get that to stay. If you weren't going to use it as a charm, but as decoration on something. And this says 20 pieces. It looks like a lot more just because of how big they are, but it says there's 20 pieces in here. So we have that. And then the last item that we got, or that I got, is this really cute. I had to get it. I'm going to make a necklace out of it. But it is little tree of life with an owl in there, and the owl's got red gems for eyes. But then look at the back of this. It's like an amethyst on the back. I absolutely love this. And you could wear it either way. You could wear it with that showing or with that showing. Whichever way you wanted to. So I could not pass that up. I had to get it. And again, I mean, they put it in its own little bubble wrap pouch. I mean, how cute is that? So oh, I didn't put it in the back. That's okay. I don't care. That is it for what I got at Beadpark this time. Like I said, I think it was roughly around $30 for everything. And these are, let's see, this one, not that one. Yeah, these two are Tibetan material, Tibetan jewels, charms. This one says it's an alloy. This one, it's some kind of stone, but I don't remember what kind of stone it was. So I'll have to look it up again. But I thought it was really interesting, and the prices were really good, so I couldn't pass this stuff up. And yeah, like I said, if I can find the links to these again, I will let you, well, I will put them in the description box so that you can check it out. Like I said before, I've said it before, Beadpark is a great place to get large amounts for a really good price. And seeing as how much these actually do weigh, what I paid in shipping probably was a really good price. So I'm good with that. I don't mind paying the shipping because it actually gets here pretty quick. I'm not really sure where it ships from. The label on it says that it's coming from Ontario, but I don't really know if that's the case. It could be, I don't know. But yeah, I will send them a note about this one for sure, because that's not the right label. not at all. So I'm gonna have to let them know about that. But other than that, everything looks great. I'm very happy with my order. And yeah, like I said, it says on there from Ontario, but it's a P.O. box. So it could just be that it gets sent to a P.O. box from somewhere else because the label is covering up the other one. So I can't really get it off of there. But that was it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.